Hey there, this is Doug from Doug and Niki here in the outdoor testing studio. In my hands I have a brand new super cool D70 drone from DEERC. Alright, here we are. I've been flying, if you see me flying this D70 drone from DEERC, this is their newest beginner drone and it is really very interesting. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a list of 3 things I really like about it. So let's talk about 3 things I really like about it. The stunts are awesome. Like, there are lots of drones which do flips and rolls and that kind of stuff, but normally they're like big looping things, really nice and tight, easy to control. Didn't even kill the battery that much. I was able to do a lot of them and still enjoy it. It is so lightweight, super lightweight, really a very nice package if you were going on vacation or you were taking the kids on vacation and you wanted them to have something to play with and enjoy. This is not going to take up a lot of space and it's not going to weigh a lot. I think that's a big advantage. And I have to give it high props for the app itself was really good.